Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to access a Zoom meeting over 40 minutes. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to access a Zoom meeting over 40 minutes, first of all, if you are a participant, the meeting has to be started by the host who is a premium account holder, because Zoom only allows the meeting which is shorter than 40 minutes without a premium account. If you want to start a meeting which will last more than 40 minutes, you have to take premium account of Zoom by going into this section and clicking to this upgrade now button. Then you can start a meeting over 40 minutes. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.